Welcome to AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. I'm Chris Doelle, and each week I bring you the most important AI developments that can transform your business. Let's dive into this week's top stories.
First up, our lead story is a genuine game changer for small business. Yeah, Microsoft has officially launched Microsoft 365 Copilot for Business. Now, in simple terms, it's like having a genius-level AI assistant that now lives inside the Microsoft tools you already use every single day. I mean, Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. And get this, for a clear SMB-focused price of about, $21 a month per user, you're getting incredibly powerful enterprise-grade AI woven directly into your workflow. So, why is this so critical for your business? Well, because it attacks all those small, time-sucking tasks that just kill your team's momentum. Imagine this. You can now ask Copilot to summarize a 50-message email chain into like 5 essential bullet points before you even open it. You can have it draft a full business proposal in Word from just a single voice command. Or, and this is huge for strategy, you can ask it to analyze your sales data in Excel, and just like that, it'll instantly tell you what your top-performing products were last quarter. This isn't about learning some complicated new software. No. This is about making the software you've already mastered exponentially more powerful. It's like giving every single person on your team a dedicated assistant, freeing them up to focus on customers, on sales, and on the big-picture innovation that drives your business forward. Okay, our second big story is it's a dream for every founder. Your financial back office is finally going on autopilot. Recent insights from the CEO of Bill, that's the financial operations platform, they highlight a huge shift from simple automation to full-on autonomy. So AI is no longer just about automatically paying a bill you approve. No, we're talking about an AI agent that can proactively manage an entire workflow. For a business owner, this is where you can finally exhale. I mean, think about all those administrative headaches, right? Collecting W-9s from contractors, chasing down invoices, scheduling payments. New AI agents are being designed to do all of this for you. A new vendor joins your system and the AI agent automatically requests their tax info. It detects an incoming invoice, it verifies it against the PO, and it schedules the payment for your final one-click approval. Amazing. And the reason this is so motivating is that it just demolishes the fear of the back office, that complexity that stops so many brilliant entrepreneurs from starting or scaling their business. This technology lets you stop being the bookkeeper and start being the visionary CEO you were meant to be. You get to focus on your passion, not your paperwork. Story number 3, the AI productivity wars are here, and you are the clear winner. This week, Google fired a major shot across the bow. They announced Workspace Studio, which is its new AI productivity suite for businesses. And yeah, this is Google's direct answer to Microsoft's Copilot, and it's designed to bring powerful, creative AI right into Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. So why should you be thrilled? Because fierce competition between these tech giants, it's the best thing that can possibly happen for a customer. With Google and Microsoft now going head-to-head to win the loyalty of small businesses, they are going to be innovating at lightning speed, offering more features, more power, and yes, more competitive pricing. You love to see it. So the actionable takeaway for you is this. You have a powerful choice. This is the moment to, strategically evaluate your tech stack. Does Microsoft's deep integration with your desktop apps make the most sense for you? Or does Google's collaborative, cloud-first approach fit your team's dynamic better? The power is now in your hands to pick the ecosystem that will genuinely accelerate your growth. Coming in at number 4 is a powerful trend that's moving from theory to reality. Small businesses are using AI to unlock their company's hidden brain. The technology is called Intelligent Document Processing, or IDP. In short, it uses AI to read and to understand all of those documents you have stored away. I mean, we're talking years of contracts, invoices, financial reports, customer feedback, all of it. For most businesses, that valuable information is just locked away in static files, impossible to search effectively. But with IDP, you can now ask your entire company history a question and get an instant answer. I mean, imagine being able to search every contract you've ever signed for a specific liability clause in seconds, or analyze 10 years of invoices to spot a hidden customer trend. I mean, this is what it means to be an agile, data-driven business. It's about turning your company's past into a strategic asset for its future. And finally, our fifth story of the week, your trusted AI assistant ChatGPT is getting a major tune-up. Reports are flying that OpenAI has declared a code red, and they are refocusing all of their top engineering talent on improving the core ChatGPT model. I mean, they're literally pausing other projects just to make the tool faster, smarter, and more reliable. For the millions of us who lean on ChatGPT for, marketing ideas, social media posts, drafting those tricky emails, this is fantastic news. It means that frustrating, lazy response you sometimes get, or that slow processing time, that is exactly what OpenAI is now laser focused on fixing. Think of it like this. Your tireless creative partner is hitting the gym. It's going to come back stronger, faster, and more capable than ever before. This renewed focus from OpenAI ensures that one of the most transformative, accessible AI tools will remain a powerful and reliable asset for your business. So there you have it, 5 monumental developments all in a single week. From AI living in your spreadsheets to a fully automated back office, the message is crystal clear. These tools, they're no longer some abstract concept for tech giants. They're here for you, right now, ready to help you work smarter, grow faster, and reclaim your most valuable asset, your time.
That's it for this week's AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. If you found this valuable, share it with a fellow business owner. If you want a hands-on group that you can work with on your specific AI needs, consider joining Business Success Academy at freshmediaworks.com/BSA. Until next week, keep innovating and keep it real.